Electrical contractors have always trusted Rigid to make great tools. We've made this one just for you. Introducing the world's most versatile electrical tool, the Rigid RE60, featuring the unique Rigid Quick Change system. Unparalleled speed and flexibility for contractors to be more efficient than ever on the job site. Cut through wire, crimp lugs, and punch holes in electrical boxes. And do it all with a single innovative tool that lets you quickly change between applications without the need for numerous tools and accessories. The Rigid Quick Change system couldn't be easier. Simply pull back on the QCS collar, insert the head, and release the collar. Once locked into place, the tool is ready to use. To change or remove heads, just repeat the process. To use the RE60 to cut wire, use the scissor cutter head. Made from high-strength steel, it's designed for use with interchangeable blades, giving you the ability to cut copper and aluminum building wire or copper flex wire. With a pull of the trigger, the scissor cutter head quickly cuts through wire up to 50mm OD. A steel guard keeps the blades aligned when in use to avoid twisting or bending. To crimp lugs, use the latching round crimp head. The crimp head is designed for maximum access and maneuverability. Thanks to its slim and ergonomic latching system, it allows for work in tighter spaces. With a pull of the trigger, the crimp head easily crimps lugs up to 300mm squared. To punch access holes into electrical boxes, use the punch head. The punch head is designed for use on 3mm mild steel and punches round holes up to 63.5mm in diameter. It's compatible with punch dies from Rigid and other manufacturers. Once a pilot hole is drilled into an electrical box, attach the punch head. After connecting, just pull the trigger to make a punch. The RE60 doesn't stop there. It's packed with more advanced features than any other electrical tool. Interchangeable heads rotate 360 degrees for better access in confined spaces. A white LED light illuminates your workspace. And onboard diagnostics include sensors to ensure a consistent, full cycle every time, so you can be confident in every crimp. The RE60 is powered by the Rigid Advanced Lithium battery platform that delivers industry-leading runtime. A battery sensor notifies you when power is running low, and a temperature sensor prevents the tool from operating when temperature is outside of acceptable limits. The RE60 has the longest service interval in the industry at 32,000 cycles. With 3-in-1 functionality and a set of features designed to make contractors more efficient than ever, no toolbox is complete without the RE60 electrical tool from Rigid. Find out more at rigid.eu/QCS for a product demonstration or to learn more.
Irwin have developed an innovative range of screw and nut drivers. When tradesmen want performance and functionality, they reach for the best. Introducing Irwin's 8-in-1 screwdriver, the go-to multitasking tool that provides convenience and superior performance. The toughest jobs need the right tool, and Irwin's 8-in-1 screwdriver allows users to switch between a variety of tip types and sizes. The 8-in-1 screwdriver has a compact bit storage that provides quick and easy access. The Irwin 8-in-1 screwdriver accepts any fastener drive bits. Double-ended, power, or insert bits can all be securely held on the driver. This means that bits are not only easier to replace, but also compatible with power tools. The 8-in-1 screwdriver features a sturdy 3-way ratcheting system that makes it easier and quicker to use. A 3-zone comfort grip provides more grip and more control. The new Irwin 8-in-1 screwdriver combines flexibility, practicality, and innovation to complete the toughest jobs.
This ingenious idea will solve a basic problem with all diagonal cutter designs: pliers that have a joint without the usual joint rivet. The idea is taking shape, and the simulation shows how it will work. Tremendous leverage becomes possible. Forged from the best chrome vanadium steel, a blank for a very special pair of pliers is created. A diagonal cutter with 2 forged-on hinge bolts. Precise machining of these forgings creates cutters whose performance will outstrip previous high-leverage diagonal cutters. Hard wire is cut using low cutting impact. and nails are cut effortlessly. This not only applies to thin nails, but also to thicker ones. Thick brackets can be cut using reasonable hand force. Even spring steel has no chance to resist. The twin force is also fit for cutting cable. It is also able to cut very fine, as well as unusual materials. The measurement of hand force shows that 50% less force is required compared to good, conventional, high-leverage diagonal cutters. When it comes to thick materials, reapplying the tool reveals its full potential. Make the initial cut, push back, finish cutting. This makes light work of even difficult cutting tasks. The high-leverage diagonal cutters with the patented double hinge, for prolonged use with less effort, or for particularly tough cutting jobs. Knipex Twin Force, the superior high-leverage diagonal cutters.
When the job requires a level of precision well beyond the ordinary. Announcing the new Fluke TI-480 and TIX-580 infrared cameras, delivering 640 by 480 resolution, 4 times more pixels than a standard resolution camera. Then super resolution increases that to an impressive 1280 by 960. These new Fluke infrared cameras also have additional features that ensure superb image quality. Laser-sharp autofocus provides an in-focus image of a single target with push-button ease. Multi-sharp focus captures infrared images at multiple depths, then combines them to create a single in-focus image throughout the entire field of view. Then take the mystery out of infrared image analysis with IR Fusion. See precise details and identify problems faster than before with its 5 modes. Full infrared, picture-in-picture, auto blend, IR visible alarm, and full digital. Capture up to 5 additional photos with equipment details, like serial numbers, conditions, or actual locations with IR photo notes. These additional photos become part of the infrared image file and are easily accessed when needed. And you have the flexibility to choose your preferred form factor. The TI-480's pistol grip gives you easy one-handed operation, while the 240-degree rotating lens on the 580 lets you navigate over, under, and around obstacles to hit those hard-to-reach targets. These new cameras offer all these features plus high-resolution, in-focus images with more detail and greater temperature accuracy. And both have the rugged quality you expect from Fluke. Bring your best to work with the new TI-480 and TIX-580.
A lot goes into a cable pull. Now, general contractors and building owners are calling for even more. Many are requiring proof that the pulling force did not exceed the cable's tension limit. It's becoming a requirement on many jobs. Why? Because overstretching cable conductors can lead to problems. It can reduce the transmission capabilities of the cable, create a fire hazard, require the cables to be removed and re-pulled, and create liability for the contractor. Introducing the G-Series Smart Pull from Greenlee, the leader in professional-grade solutions for electrical contractors. With the Smart Pull, real-time monitoring provides an alert as you approach the specified tension limit, so you can make adjustments instead of making time for rework. The recorded data gives you and your customers peace of mind about the fire hazard and that transmission capabilities are as spec'd. Plus, reduce your liability by having proof of a job well done. Greenlee's Smart Pull can quickly be attached to your boom or mount and is compatible with existing UT10 and UT8 in mobile, VersaBoom, floor mount, and chain mount configurations. It features an LCD touchscreen for entering maximum cable tension and other pull parameters. During a cable pull, the screen displays real-time force, speed, and distance. Or you can monitor the pull from up to 20 feet away using a Bluetooth-enabled Android or Apple device. When the job's done, transfer a record of the pull to the app or download it via the onboard USB port. The Smart Pull operates on the 18-volt Makita battery platform, providing you with a whole shift's worth of runtime. Roll cage handles make it easy to carry while protecting it on job sites. Just as the hard foam case provides impact protection, the case also conveniently stores the battery, charger, and mounting hardware. With Greenlee's G-Series Smart Pull, you'll be more prepared than ever for the growing requirements of cable pulls. Faster, safer, easier.